Pepe coin holders, it just flipped. It just happened. We just got back over a $1 billion market cap. I'm going to be honest with you. I did not see this happening to the Pepe price this soon. I knew that it wasn't going anywhere. I knew that volume was still consistent. I knew the narrative would still be here and definitely be here amid the next presidential election, because this is what caused this crazy meme coin to explode. But I didn't think it would happen right now. I didn't think right now would be the time frame for Pepe. But luckily, we had some stashed away, and we're experiencing crazy gains here. 60% move just today in the last 24 hours, last 7 days, and really in the last 48, 114% move. We're going to take a look at it from the charts. We're going to talk about what's causing this, what's going on, and where we think Pepe could go from here. But wow, amazing, amazing. Give yourself a pat on the back if you held through the thick and thin. And really, you look at Pepe, obviously it came down from a $1.7 billion market cap. We got really low down here back in October, and this was the tough time to hang in there, right? We got really low. But still, I want to take you back to those dog days. The volume was still really solid. We're talking about $50 million of volume, even on these terrible, quote unquote, terrible days. But now look at our volume. 1.1 billion in volume today. Absolutely insane. And we're back up over a $1 billion market cap. We're easily back in the top 100, ranked at 81. And this is the difference that a couple solid moves could make. Absolutely insane. We got in here at 5011, and we opened up one position when Pepe was launching, going crazy, when it was at 100 million. We sold it at 1.3 billion. So we made some good money on it. And then we bought it back. We bought it back at around 400 million. We bought it back at around $400 million market cap. So, hey, I'm experiencing some nice gains. Hopefully you are too. Let's dive into some of the nitty gritty here, though. And I want to open up this right here. Just a tweet that I had. Looks like Pepe rally is continuing. I knew that the Pepe narrative was not going away, but I did not think the pump would happen this soon. Love to see it. Still holding a nice sized position that I opened back up months ago, and loving the gains. And again, hope you guys are experiencing this as well. We'll go to their Twitter page, and then we'll take a look at the charts and break down all of that. So make sure you stick around, hit the like button for us as I just spit all over my keyboard. Subscribe if you haven't already, all that good stuff. Okay, so let's see here. Not too much going on in terms of, Twitter, aside from obviously the memes, right? This is pretty interesting too here. They retweeted Elon Musk. He hasn't said anything about Pepe, but not directly, but there have been some indirect things. Imagine if he gets behind it. Good luck. I mean, it'll be a Dogecoin type scenario, right? All over again. But there's been nothing fundamentally changing here with Pepe, okay? Aside from just the explosion from the price standpoint. And a lot of it has to do with technical outlooks here and big whales, okay? Big whale transactions have started to rush back in, and that leads to FOMO. You guys know how the game is played, right? So let's go over to TradingView and take a look at the chart, because that is where it's really impressive right now with Pepe. So if we look at the 1 day, our indicator, XT Algo, which is available to you down below if you're interested, it flashed days ago. It flashed back on Valentine's Day. It's been a 95% move to the upside. So essentially, I bought right in here, right below this green candle. Way back when, though? Like way back on this trajectory upwards. So as we were bouncing up in October is when I opened up the position, like right in here, right in the 11 range. Interestingly enough, we went up a little bit higher in December and then came back down. And look where the momentum up flashed again. So this is a really good range to watch if and when we do come back down here. Crazy, 2 God candles here back to back, pretty insane. But if and when we do correct, this is kind of a range that I'll be watching. Again, this 12, 11 range, okay? Now we're up a lot here. I mean, big time, billions of dollars have come in here in the last 48 hours. So we'll see. I mean, we might not come back down and retrace here for a while. Even if we start to consolidate at these levels, who knows? If we look at it kind of zoomed out, if we look at Pepe just from a zoomed out perspective, we don't have a lot of resistance right now. at least upwards until like the 504 range. We don't have a ton of resistance. That's why the floodgates have opened here. If we look at the technicals, strong buy across the board. Moving averages have all flipped bullish. And if we look at the 100-day moving average, 200-day moving average, simple moving average, this is about where I bought it at, just around the 11 range. So that's right around where that 200-day moving average. That's a good number to watch, good number to track there for you. So average volume in the last 30 days, think about that too. $24 trillion. That's insane. That's absolutely insane. So if we take a look at this right here, 4-day, $3.77 billion boost in meme coin sector led by Pepe, Whiff, and Bonk. Some of the OG cryptos, OG from these last year and a half or so, we're looking at it. Pepe and Bonk, Whiff obviously on Solana too, some of these big Solana meme coins. They're going to be ones to watch here as we move forward into the bull run as well. But in these last few days, we've seen a lot of capital rush into these in particular. We did see a nice little bump in SHIB and Doge too, and I do think they'll be propped up by the overall market. But I still think there's going to be more gains had in Pepe and Bonk just because they're newer, right? They're fresher, they're more shiny objects, right? They're smaller market caps. All of that factors in. Now, again, as you guys know, the meme coin sector, you never know what's going to happen. So have a strategy, have your exit plan in place, and stick to it. But Pepe right now surging, and it's continuing here today. Crazy, almost number one by 24-hour volume, which is insane. Of all the meme coin sector, it's only trailing Dogecoin right now. And man, it's just been super crazy. And it says here, Johnny pipes in, says Pepe preparing for a massive run to new all-time high soon. We'll be looking to scale into position on a pullback. This was yesterday. A lot of people betting on it. I've already got my position. Just be careful out there. There will be dips. Okay. Remember that there will be some dips along the way. And maybe dollar cost average is the way to go, from here. So, one last thing before we get up out of here. It looks like on-chain metrics provide an optimistic outlook here. Significant surge in daily active addresses has been surging as well. So, kind of going away from just the chart perspective, we're looking at daily active addresses, new people coming in, up by over 85%. Very interesting, right? And people outside of crypto are barely in. They're looking for that next Dogecoin. You better believe it. Right? They're looking for that next Shiba Inu type play. That's what they want. That's what the retail money wants to get into because it's life-changing potential. Pepe's already pretty big at $1 billion, but who's to say it can't go to 8 to 10 billion in this cycle? It certainly can. It certainly can. We've seen crazier things happen in crypto. So we'll be tracking that as well in terms of the on-chain metrics. So good stuff happening right now on-chain for Pepe. Good stuff happening on the charts as well. We'll be keeping tabs on it. Make sure you guys keep tabs by subscribing to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any content. We got a ton of stuff rolling out today. Ton of things to dive into. I can't even make enough videos today for you because there's so many things to talk about. But we'll do our best to keep you up to speed on everything going on in crypto and all the sectors. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.